Kerala street style egg tapioca recipe. Serve it hot for best taste. Before serving, garnish some chopped onions on top of it. Let's move to the video. In a pan, take 3 cups of tapioca cut into medium pieces. Add 1 by 4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt. Then add 2 cups of water required to cook the tapioca. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame until it's cooked almost 80%. Careful not to overcook. Cooking time depends on the type and quality of tapioca we use. When it has cooked, remove the water and keep aside for later use. Next, we make scrambled eggs. In a pan, take 2 tablespoons oil and heat it. Then add 3 eggs to it. Also add 1 by 4 teaspoon turmeric powder and half teaspoon salt. Mix it well.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Scramble the eggs nicely. Now we can make the masalas. In a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. Then add half inch size finely chopped ginger, 5 chopped garlics, 3 chopped green chillies. Mix it well. Cook for a minute. Then add 1 chopped onion. Saute it until it becomes translucent for 3 minutes on medium flame. After 3 minutes, we can add the masalas. Add 1 teaspoon Kasmiri red chilli powder, 3 by 4 teaspoon Garam Masala powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 sprig of curry leaves. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for a minute. Then add previously cooked tapioca to it. Also add the scrambled eggs. Mix them very nicely. After mixing it, smash bigger pieces of tapioca. Kerala street style egg tapioca recipe is ready. Serve it hot for best taste. Before serving, garnish some chopped onions on top of it.
Before skipping, please consider subscribing to my channel. Click here to watch the most recent video. I hope you will really like it. Click on top for non-vegetarian recipes or click below for vegetarian recipes. For all other interesting videos like snacks, South Indian recipes, North Indian recipes, desserts, drinks, please check the description box below.